You know, you just gotta listen to your heart. No matter what anybody says. Listen, yeah, listen to your heart, man. No matter what anybody tells you. Do what you wanna do.
Infamous production.
I know there's something in the wake of your smile. I get a notion from the look in your eyes. Yeah, you've built a love, but that love falls apart. A little piece of heaven turns to dust.
Listen to your heart, that's what everyone keeps telling me that I need to let go to just about everything. Like when that girl took my heart from me, you see, and then just simply crush it in front of me. She said she loved me, but it was all just a lie. And then she simply killed me on the inside. And it was that day that my heart died. I hid it away so that I wouldn't cry. But now you're here, and my heart is beating once more. I can't believe it because I locked it in the drawer. I never thought that I would love anymore. I'm trying to tell myself that I'm not for sure. People keep telling me that stop denying it, that I actually good for you, and they keep hiding it. But I guess it might be true that I did actually fall for you. Listen to your heart.
I know there's something in the wake of your smile. I get a notion from the look in your eyes. Yeah, you've built a love, but that love falls apart. A little piece of heaven turns to dust. Listen to your
You
heart.
know what, man?
Production.
It don't matter what anybody tells you. Just do what you gotta do. Tell that girl you love her. You know, she may not be around long, man.
This is
No.
infamous production.
Josh Breezy. Check out my music page. www.myspace.com/JoshBreezy123. Comment, rate my songs, rate this video on YouTube. Yeah, man. Peace out.